Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for a trail duster right here in South Central Kentucky on its Ranger RCI 69 base. Hey Duster, we got you ready to go, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and we just had to take out them dim little wheat lamp bulbs and put some ultra bright white LEDs in there for you, okay? Let's get right to it. The RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. I got you at 1 watt just in case you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 15 all the way up. Now keep in mind, if you're going to run this radio by itself, you're not going to want to run it all the way down. You'll run it, 10, 12, 14 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello, about 30 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, at 97 PEP. Alright, Duster, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.